G'day, welcome to the Prokon YouTube channel. My name is Michael Klomp and I'm a technical support consultant at Prokon. Today I'm going to illustrate the second part of making use of Probar 2D's Beam Wizard. This video will demonstrate the input parameters of the Beam Wizard, how to use Probar 2D's Modify Wizard, and plotting and scheduling of rebar entities. Define the beam name, reinforcing layer, and cover to the top, bottom, and sides of the stirrups. Define the dimensions of various sections along the length of the beam. Please note that all dimensions in the Beam Wizard are in millimeters. Specify the various span lengths for the continuous beam. Next, define the support fixities by specifying column heights and end conditions. Using the letter C in the code C column will specify a cantilever. Toggle to the Reinforcing tab and specify all of the main reinforcing using the table provided. Notice where the negative and positive offsets are defined from. Next, define the type, diameter, and shape code of the stirrups used to prevent shear. Then, specify the spacing, span offset position, and length of the shear reinforcing. Determine at which position along the length of the beam you would like a section to be defined. Make sure that the horizontal offset illustrates all of the bars in that section by making use of the horizontal offsets table. A negative horizontal offset is defined to the left of the beam and a positive horizontal offset is defined to the right of the beam. Click OK and paste the continuous beam in AutoCAD's model space. Click on the Modify wizard to make any changes to the continuous beam. Lastly, inspect the bending schedule and paste all of the details in AutoCAD's model space. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications.